Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Shortly AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now, to log into your Shortly AI account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address shortlyai.com and hit on the enter, and you'll be directed to the home page of Shortly AI. Let's wait for it. But guys, we are being required to verify that we're a human and not a robot. So let's wait. And you can see we are over here, guys. Now, in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the login button available over here. Simply click on that login button over here, and then a login page to your Shortly AI account will open. And over here, guys, you can see there are two panels. One is for a manual login and one is for automated login with Facebook and Apple. If you want to log in directly with your Facebook account or your Apple account, simply click on either of these buttons, and then a login page to your Facebook or Apple accounts will open. And if you log into your respective accounts on Facebook or Apple, on the tab open from these buttons, you'll be signed into your Shortly AI account with your Facebook or your Apple account with which you chose. And with that being said, guys, for a manual login, let's enter our email address with which we had created an account on the Shortly, and have that enter your password over here, guys. And but guys, after entering your email and password, if you've forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says you forgot your password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset your account's password. And with that being said, after entering your email, your password, simply click on the login button over here. You will be signed into your Shortly AI account on your computer online. And with that being said, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.